Hello students, today we learn Unit 1 Introduction to Irrigation and Hydrology of Water Resources Engineering and topic is 1.4. Summary of last lecture. In last lecture we learned rainfall, rain gauge and rain gauge station, types of rain gauges, non-recording and recording type, construction and function of siphon rain gauge, construction and function of weighing rain gauge, construction and function of tipping bucket rain gauge, construction and function of siphon or float type rain gauge. Now, in this session, learning outcomes. After completion of this video lecture, the student will be able to calculate the average rainfall in the given situation using the given method. Method of calculating average rainfall. Three methods of calculating average rainfall. First is the arithmetic mean method. Second is the Thiessen polygon method, and third is the isoetal method. Now, arithmetic mean method. This is a simple method. It includes averaging of all amount that has been recorded at the various stations in the area is added and divided by number of rain gauge stations. The formula P equal to summation of P by N, where this P is known as the average rainfall and this P is the precipitation, means rainfall at rain gauges. So P1 is the precipitation at station 1, P2 is station 2 and P3 rainfall at station 3. In this way, sum the all rainfall at various stations and divided by N, means number of rain gauge station. Now here P is the precipitation and P1, P2, P3 dash Pn precipitation at various rain gauge stations, and N is the total number of rain gauge stations. So this is the arithmetic method. Then Thiessen polygon method. Observe the image. This is the complete area. In this area, A, B, C and D are the rain gauge stations. In this rain gauge station, Thiessen polygon method is a more common method of weighing the rain gauge observation according to the area. This method is also called weighted mean method and is more accurate than the arithmetic average method. इसकी प्रोसीजर ऐसी है, join the adjacent rain gauge station A, B, C, D etc. by straight line से ये join करने का. Construct the perpendicular bisector of each of these lines, means ये जो line है ये lines का परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर कैलकुलेट करने का और उसके बाद में ये स्टेशन ज्वाइन करने का. उसके बाद में ये थीसन्स नेटवर्क इज दस कंस्ट्रक्टेड. इस टाइप से ये थीसन्स नेटवर्क फॉर्म करने का. देन फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ईच ऑफ दिस पॉलीगॉन शोन हैच, मीन्स ए का एरिया यहां से ये इतना कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. ये एरिया कैसे अपन कैलकुलेट करेंगे या मेजर करेंगे? विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्लानीमीटर, विच इज ऑलरेडी स्टडी इन लास्ट ईयर. देन मल्टीप्लाई द एरिया ऑफ ईच थीसन पॉलीगॉन बाय रेन गेज वैल्यू ऑफ द इनक्लोज स्टेशन. ओके, फाइंड द टोटल एरिया, उसके बाद में कंप्लीट एरिया मीन्स ए बी सी और डी का टोटल एरिया फाइंड आउट करेंगे, उसका समीशन करेंगे। उसके बाद में कंप्यूट द एवरेज प्रेसिपिटेशन ऑफ रेनफॉल फ्रॉम, एवरेज रेनफॉल कैसे निकालेंगे, बाय फॉलोइंग फार्मूला, मीन्स PAV मीन्स एवरेज एनुअल रेनफॉल इक्वल टू A1 P1, मीन्स A1 मीन्स दिस एरिया एंड P1 मीन्स प्रेसिपिटेशन एट स्टेशन ए, इसका मल्टीप्लीकेशन हो जाएगा। इस टाइप्स A1 P1, उसके बाद में दिस एरिया A2 P2, देन A3 P3 एंड A4 P4 and divided by the total area means A1, A2, A3 or A4. In this way we can calculate the average annual rainfall by Thiesen's polygon method. Now isohetal method. See the pictures or image. In this image, this is the 10, 20 and 30. This is nothing but the contour lines. Contour lines, contour मतलब क्या पढ़े अपन ने, it is the imaginary line joining the same elevation. In this way ये जो 10, 20 और 30 जो है is the line of same rainfall. same rainfall का ये कंटूर है, और इसके बीच में जो एरिया होता है इज द A1 एरिया, 10 और 20 के बीच में जो एरिया होता है वो A2 एरिया, 20 और 30 के बीच में A3 और दिस इज द A4 and this area can be calculated by planimeter. So an isoheat is a line on a rainfall map of the basin joining the place of equal rainfall readings, means it is the equal rainfall contour. An isohetal map showing contours of equal rainfall. Procedure: from the rainfall values recorded at various rain gauge stations, prepare the isohetal map for the storm causing the rainfall over the area. Measure the area enclosed between the successive isoheat by the help of planimeter. Multiply each of these area by averaging rainfall between the isoheat. The average rainfall is then computed from the formula by, this is P equal to A1 into P1 plus P2 by 2, means ये P1 रेन गेज और P2 रेन गेज, इसके बीच में ये एरिया है, ठीक है, तो इसका एवरेज प्लस A2 means P2 plus P3 by 2 in this way and divided by the A1 plus A2 means complete area. Okay, so is the formula for calculating the average annual rainfall by isohetal method. So in this way we can calculate the average annual rainfall. In this lecture, means after completion of this video lecture, we learn methods of calculating average rainfall, that is arithmetic mean method, Thiesen's polygon method and isohetal method. Okay, thank you.